Yeah.
So this is our pivotal tracker right now.
Uh-huh.
So we're doing basic stuff for next week. So paper prototyping, we need to work more on that because we haven't really tested with the user and how he or she feels about it, and see how user navigates through the website. So we should be working more on that. Other than that, regular stuff such in chapter 7 and 8, authentication, login, logout, registration.
Yep.
And right now our buttons just redirect the page, they don't really do anything. So we need to add some back-end stuff as well. And some more stories about the website, like the one that we did yesterday. So we're gonna have more and more stories, and in a couple of weeks' time, maybe we could complete one kind of story from a typical user point of view, and have everything set up for that, like everything, like log in, then go and create an event, and then stuff like that.
You know what I would suggest actually for all the projects is to not do so much RSpec capybara testing. Don't put a lot of effort into that at this stage, because you're still just learning how to do it. And I think it adds extra overhead. But then, once you become Rails pros in 10 days, then you can go back. You can go back, because it really is useful. The idea is great, because whenever you make a change, you want to go and test your website to see if it works. And what do? You go there, you have to log in, you make up a username, make up a password, click on here, make up another user, try to make an event, and that's exactly what it does for you automatically, right? And then you have to check, if I press this, do I get to the right page? Do I get to an error page?
Yeah. And Fatima will be working more on the layout and making the page look more beautiful.
Yeah.
So right now, that's pretty much it. That our planning for next week for our sprint. We have about 10 points. So it's going to be fun.
And are you on Friday to Friday sprints?
Yeah, we are at a Friday sprint from now on. And then we have a lot of backlog and a lot of icebox.
Yep.
So yeah, there are new ideas coming up, and we'll see what we can do next.
Okay.
What's our priority?
So it looks to me like all the groups are 2 weeks out from minimal viable product.
We might be.
You might be closer.
Yeah.
You might be closer. Yeah. Well, everybody could. If everything falls into place and boom, 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 you just get it. It could be next week. You can.